This is an impromptu tutorial for using Screencast-o-matic to narrate and record a PowerPoint presentation as a movie, and how to share that knowledge or that movie file with your peers. The first thing you need to do is go to the Screencast-o-matic website. Open an account there, it's free, and remember your account name and password for future use. On the Screencast-o-matic website, after you have your account there, click on the Start Recording button. That button's in a couple different places on the Screencast-o-matic website. A pop-up window will appear on your desktop asking you to allow an applet to download to your computer. Click Allow and wait. As the applet is installing, you'll see a loading message on your Screencast-o-matic website. Once the applet is installed, you will get a ready message in Screencast-o-matic, and at that time a scalable dotted outlined box, which Screencast-o-matic calls a recording frame, will appear. This recording frame allows you to define the specific area that you want to record directly from your computer screen. So you're now ready to record whatever it is on your screen. So you want to open your PowerPoint file, and in PowerPoint you should be in the View Slide mode or Slide View mode. This mode shows each slide one at a time, but it's not the same thing as the slideshow mode, so don't get those two confused. So be in your Slide View mode or View Slide mode, and then pull up your first slide in PowerPoint and get ready to record. So you want to size that Screencast-o-matic recording frame around that slide, your PowerPoint slide. So position and size it exactly around the viewable area of the PowerPoint slide that you want to be recorded. And as you advance to each new PowerPoint slide, the Screencast-o-matic recording frame stays the same. It just surrounds each new slide that you pull up. So you're now ready to record. You should have your script already written out and printed. That way you can read directly from your script as you're advancing to each new slide in Screencast-o-matic. So once you're ready to record, you've got everything sized, you have your script ready, you want to go ahead and click on the little red record button in Screencast-o-matic. It's in the bottom left area of that Screencast-o-matic recording frame. It's the little red circle. Screencast-o-matic will then give you a 3, 2, 1 countdown, so be ready to talk as soon as it reaches 1. As you're recording, you're going to read from your printed script as you advance to each new slide. When you're completely done with your recording, you have to click the little Done button in the bottom left area of your recording frame. And at that time, Screencast-o-matic will save your recording as a movie file. It will also ask you what you want to do with this file. And it even suggests that it will send it to your YouTube account for you. So if you're using YouTube, go ahead and select that Send to YouTube option in Screencast-o-matic. So assuming that you've decided to use YouTube, the next thing that Screencast-o-matic will do, right there on the Screencast-o-matic website, is it will ask you to label, categorize, and determine the privacy settings for this YouTube movie. I recommend that you make your YouTube movie public, in keeping with the spirit of self-publishing and sharing. It will take 10 minutes or more for the upload to YouTube process to complete, so just be patient. You can work on something else or go away and come back, and when the upload process is complete, you'll get a message on your Screencast-o-matic website that the process is complete. At that time, the Screencast-o-matic will give you your YouTube web link right there in the Screencast-o-matic website. So you want to save that web address, you want to follow the link and go look at your YouTube movie and make sure it's, what you want. You might have to re-record it if you feel like you didn't say things exactly the way you wanted to, or whatever, make some minor changes. Since these are short, that shouldn't be a big problem. Share your web address for this YouTube video with your peers. You know how to do that. And you can also embed your videos right on your own professional web pages. That's another set of procedures, but it's not very hard and lots of students are doing it. If you're using Vimeo instead of YouTube, Screencast-o-matic will actually allow you to save the recording right to your desktop. So at that point, you want to get into that video type pull-down menu. I've got a little picture of it here on this slide. And you want to save it as a QuickTime MP4 file. You can click on the options and see what all those options are. You can add captions and things like that. But the main thing is to save it as an MP4 file. And from there, you can upload the MP4 file to your Vimeo account and label it in Vimeo as per their instructions. And again, share your work with peers by sharing the direct link to your Vimeo movie with your peers. So good luck, enjoy, and I hope you fall in love with Screencast-o-matic.